Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone. Love with all your heart. Missing someone.
Hi everyone, I'm Darren Lim from First Dot Design. Today I'm going to show you something very interesting that no one has seen before. Follow me. A vending machine? No. So this is the secret den. What you see is what you get. But no, there's more. Ladies and gentlemen, follow me and step inside. 逍遥自在, carefree and at leisure. That's the one term that we took away from the owner as we go about designing the mood and feel of this place. The design of this private lounge is based on traditional Chinese accents in a modern setting. Keeping in line with the traditional Chinese theme, this bar counter was specially fabricated to showcase Chinese motifs. Similarly, this design aspect can be found in many of the structural features, namely the door and the window. With all this in mind, the floor tiles are then chosen to suit the overall feel of this place. Each space is unique. We believe in catering to the client's wants and needs, and for them to feel right at home with what we have created for them. So actually, owner inputs is a huge aspect that we always rely on to take inspiration in designing the right stuff for them.
And you did it right from the start. And you did it right from the start.
I believe in effective communication. A lot of times, you have to explain clearly to owners with regards to certain designs, whether it fits into what they want, what they need, or is it just simply too much. So it's really a compromise, and having effective communication really will actually eradicate that issue. Actually, at First Dot Design, one very important thing that we always advocate is customer service. Definitely because they are paymaster. But most importantly, each individual client with their own preference, own needs. Yes, there's no one-size-fits-all solutions or design that can cater to all owners. So we really emphasize on communicating, getting to know the owner's background. Who's going to stay in that place? Are there kids? So with all this in considerations, then you can propose the correct designs or correct furnitures and stuff like that. So I think that's very important. Like I always like to say, it's always function is more important than form. It's no use having something that's beautiful but it's hard to use. It does not suit your lifestyle and stuff like that. So we always try to advocate that to owners.